Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all having a lovely weekend. In this video, as you can see, I'll be showing you how to do these dreadlocks in less than 2 hours. Like, it took me literally 1 hour to get everything. So I pretty much braided the side down and then pin it so I could wear it to work. I've had these locks in for about 1 week now. That's how calm and scalp is looking this way. I made these dreadlocks myself. If you've not watched that video, then you are missing. You need to go and watch that video. I'll leave the link in the description section down below, or you can click the teaser right now to go and watch that video before you come and watch this one. Okay, so these are the locks that I made. These are real dreadlocks. Some people would prefer leaving just a small amount here so they can lock it with their hair. I'm not locking my hair, so I'm not going to do any of that. I just left this much space because I want to be able to braid it with my hair. Some also leave this space and then kind of sew it, attach it to their hair and then sew it down. And you will have it in for about 6 to 1 year before they take it down. And as I said in this video, like the previous video, I make these locks myself, so in case you don't want to go through the trouble, the hassle of making them yourself, just hit me up on IG at 2_MamiAbna2_, or send me a mail. I'll leave my email in the description section down below, or even on YouTube, just anywhere you can find me, send me a mail how you want it. Alright, next to the tutorial. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to remove the pin and then start unraveling the braids. I don't think I'm going to add any product in this hair because I did that the first day, so like my palms are still oily. I don't need to add more. So I'm parting to this side. So difficult to get it. Okay, so I'm going to clean this one away so I can work with this space. So all you need to do is like take your hair and then divide it like so equally. Then attach it to your hair. To get all the baby hairs in so that it will be tight. Then you place it right in front like this. It depends on how you braid, and then you're just gonna do like a 3-strand braid. And guys, make sure that your braids are tight enough. So this is when it's being braided. You could pretty much like just leave it like that, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it. I'm going to wrap it. So this side is like the normal full locks wrapping technique that I'm going to apply here. secure. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, just like, this is optional, you don't have to do it, but I like to do it to secure the wrapping because I'm not going to lighter or anything on it. And that's it, guys. Like, it doesn't take time at all. There we go, we have our dreadlocks installed. Like, so easy, so easy. You don't need to have like any special technique to do this. We are done with it. Alright guys, so here we go. I'm done installing all the braids. This is how they look like. It's very long. See, it's up to my waist. So this is my waist. That's the length of the locks. It's very long, guys. So I used a total of 60 locks. So I have 60 locks on my head. It feels so light, guys. It's not heavy at all. Like, you don't need to worry. This is very light. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And once you're done, click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a video. Thumbs up this video, share this video, do everything. And I'll catch you guys out in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.